Spelling List, Primary 3, Term 2, Spelling 12. 1. One way to stay fit is to exercise frequently. 2. I shivered as it was a cold and windy day. 3. Since the weather was perfect, we had a picnic on the beach. 4. Lynn did not want to migrate to another country as she would miss her family. 5. The development of the estate would depend on the residents' decision. 6. Durian is my favorite tropical fruit. 7. You will achieve your goals if you work hard. 8. When I saw the celebrity, I grabbed the opportunity to take a photo with him. 9. Miss Tan slipped on the wet bathroom floor and lost consciousness. 10. Wendy sheepishly admitted that he was the one who made the mistake.